Hi, welcome to the Parents Math Tutor. If you already watched my place value video for parents, then you have the background knowledge that you need for teaching your children place value at home. But this video is just for your child. You can sit them down in front of the computer and I will walk through a place value lesson with them.
Hello friends. All right, welcome to a very short mini lesson on the difference between a digit and a value. A digit is the written symbols, so the things that we write down, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. The value is how much that digit is worth based on where it's placed. So I'm going to give you some examples. Remember, the digit is just the number that you write. Where you put the digit matters. So in both of these numbers, I have the digit 7 and I have the digit 1. Depending on where they're placed, in these numbers, we have a tens place and a ones place. You can see that since we need to pay attention to the place, that one of these is bigger. And I would ask you, if somebody offered to give you $71 or someone offered to give you $17, which one would you want? Yeah, you would want $71 because it's a lot more, because the digit 7 is worth 70 in that number. We read numbers from left to right. So we start on the left and we go to the right, just like when we read. We can't go out of order. So I could not read this number as 953. That would be going backwards. I can't start in the middle and call it 593 because those digits aren't in those places. I have to call it 359 because when I read the number, I have to go from left to right. Okay, let's talk about the places. The digit that is on the right, so here, this is the left side of the screen, that's the right. The digit that's on the far right is called the ones place. So in this number, the digit and the value are the same. This is the digit 2, and it's worth 2 in the ones place because they're worth the same. The digit to the left of the ones place is called the tens place. Here, the digit in the tens place is a 3, but the value is 30 because the value of the digit changes based on the place that it's in. So it's actually a 30, not a 3. The digit to the left of the tens place is called the hundreds place. Here, the digit in the hundreds place is a 7, but its value is 700. The value changed because it was placed in the hundreds place. Here's a great example of the fact that where you put the digit changes its value. So here I have the digit 7. Here I have the digit 7. And here I have the digit 7. You know that the one furthest to the left is the hundreds place. The one in the middle is the tens place. And the one in the ones, the one on the far right is the ones place. And we read our numbers going from left to right, and we read them based on the value. So even though this is a digit 7, the value is 700. Even though this is a digit 7, the value, since it's in the tens place, is a 70. And this digit is also 7, and it happens to be that because it's in the ones place, it also has a value of 7. So when I read this number, I don't say 777. I say 777 because I say the value of each digit when I read the number. All right, let's look at this number. I have 3 digits. The digits are 3, 6, and 4, but we know that's not what they're worth. So we're going to look at what place it's in, and we're going to determine the value of each of these digits. So let's look at the 4. Is the 4 in the hundreds place, the tens place, or the ones place? Yeah, the 4 is in the ones place, so we know the value is the same as the digit. So the value of the 4 is 4. Let's look at the 6. Is the 6, the digit 6, is it in the hundreds place, the tens place, or the ones place? It's in the tens place. And so its value is not 6. Its value is 60. Let's look at the digit over here, the digit 3. And since it's the only place left, it's in the hundreds place. So that means it's not a 3. It's not a 30. It's actually a 300 because it's in the hundreds place. Okay? Are you ready to practice? I'm going to give you 3 different numbers, and I'm going to ask you about the value of a digit in each number. I would like you to answer out loud. You can answer me out loud to tell me about the value of these digits. Here we go. Which digit is in the ones place? So here I have the number 107. Which digit is in the ones place? That's right, it is 7. The digit in the ones place is a 7. Now, how much is that digit worth? Go ahead and answer. How much is that digit worth? Well, it's in the ones place, so it's worth 7. The digit is 7, and it's worth 7. Let's do another one. Which digit is in the tens place? This is the number 613. Which digit is in the tens place? The digit is just a 1, right? The digit is a 1, but that's not what it's worth. How much is the digit in the tens place worth? What's its value? The 1 in the tens place is actually worth 10. You're doing great. Let's do one more. Which digit is in the hundreds place? Which digit is in the hundreds place? It's an 8. The digit in the hundreds place is an 8, but it's not worth 8. How much is 8 worth in this number? What's its value? I hope you said 800 because it's in the hundreds place. All right, guys, as we close up today, I want you to remember that a digit is the written symbol that we put on paper. They look like a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. The actual numbers we write are called digits. But depending on where you put the number, the value changes. The value is how much the digit is worth based on where it is placed.
Thank you so much for joining me today on the Parents Math Tutor. Please leave a like and a subscribe. Tell others about our channel to help the channel grow so that everybody can have some free math tutoring. See you later. Bye.